Welcome to Kudelski Labs, where we'll be unveiling our autonomous robotic dog, Klarq. It showcases secure autonomy at the edge, combining AI-accelerated security with Axelera's edge AI hardware. I would like to introduce Christoph, who will talk more on the live demonstration.
Thanks, Nicole. So the application that we are showcasing here is basically a surveillance robot. So it's a scenario where we are going to ask to a robot to circulate, to cruise around an area, to identify different threats. So what we have done here to showcase is basically a payload that includes a camera and an Axelera computers in order to do face and object detections. So in that scenario here, it's quite simple. The robot will start his mission from what we would call a mission control. So it's a point where he goes, connect to the mission control to receive his mission, and then execute in a mode completely autonomous the mission. But most important part is everything that is related to the AI, which is basically the Axelera board here. So we are going to check the authentication of the chip itself, its certificates, the firmware that is loaded on that, is it legitimate? So that's what we do. We do that also at the execution. So from the moment this robot decide that all the checks have been passed, it can then execute his application, and in that case, which is basically to follow that teddy bear. So what do we provide in that solution? We are providing actually all the security layer in terms of software, but we could also provide on the hardware side to make sure that this whole process is under control and fully secured. And we'll provide also functionality such as a kill switch. So on that example here, we have trained the robot and loaded the specific symbol that if it recognizes that symbol, it needs to stop immediately and lay down. And in order to showcase that, we just use that stop sign. So basically, if I place that stop sign in front of him, it's gonna just shut down and stop all activities. Everything's still fully running, so you can still have control on it, but it stopped just all the activity, all the functionality of the robots to make sure that it's in the safe state.